Hi everyone, I'm Darren Whitby for Platinum Consultants. We've been working with Simpro since 2008 and have worked with over 1,200 customers to ensure that they're getting the most out of their Simpro. Every year we do live seminars to give businesses a boost and to pass on all of our latest tips and tricks. And it's that time of year again. In the next few weeks we are doing our live Simpro workshops in Perth, Adelaide and Melbourne. But don't worry, we'll be coming to Sydney and Brisbane in early 2026. This year is going to be bigger and better than ever. We'll show you all the latest Simpro features and updates, and there are so many that you may have missed, and some updates could be saving you hours a week. What's coming next with AI? How you can use it in your business to provide better communication and better service to your customers. We've got the latest news. We'll be covering all things safety, what you can do in Simpro, but also what do you do if you need even more functionality? How do you stay compliant in today's safety conscious world? We'll show you how to get the edge on marketing. How do you know which marketing strategies are actually working and what's not? How do you tie all those stats into Simpro? We've got tips and tricks for service companies, project companies, maintenance companies and more. There'll be something for every Simpro user at any stage of the journey. We've got guest speakers, food, drinks, prizes and networking opportunities. This is not a sales night. This is a Simpro workshop designed to give you up-to-date practical information that you can utilize in your business straight away. This is our one and only live event for the year, and there are limited seats, so don't miss out on this great opportunity to get the most out of your Simpro investment and take your business to the next level. I'm looking forward to seeing you all there.